What's growing on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening.
Today I just wanted to share a quick video, just wondering what you might want me to grow. So what I have here before you is all of the seeds I have either tried or will try. The only seeds out of these bunch I have not tried are the Bait Alpha Cucumber seeds and the Roulette Sweet Pepper seeds. All these others I have tried and grown, whether they were successful or not. So, I will be probably ordering off of Baker Creek and also ordering and looking around for different seeds in my area. If you have a variety that you want me to grow or check out, just leave a comment below and I will try and access and get that variety so we can grow it together. So, I hope you leave or have some thoughts.